Hi everyone, welcome to the Globetrotter Trio channel. Today we are going to have our first attempt at making a Rabeliechtli. It's a Swiss tradition. Basically, they use a turnip or the rabe, carve it, and put a light in it and use it as a lantern. And kids then take this lantern for a small procession along with some songs. So, this is the first time that we are going to attempt to carve a turnip, and let's see how it goes. What we have tried to do is to put together all the necessary equipment over here. So the knives to cut the turnip, the spoons to scoop out from the turnip, and then some rope so that we can create some sort of a holding mechanism for that. So let's see how it goes. Samanyu and I are going to try to carve our rabe.
Rabe. And we are now cutting this rabbit. Look, we are now cutting it.
Okay. Looks okay?
Yeah, look, my one hand. Oh, it's too.
Now we have scooped out the inside of this rabbit, and now we will make a few designs. Someone new has a few favorites like stars, his favorite Chanda Mama, his rocket. So we will try to make those, and then it's actually just drawing on the outside and then trying to scratch the pink turnip so that when we place the light inside, then it shines through those scratched drawings. Okay.
Look, this one is like this. आता उजनिक बनवू.
One more star.
Yeah, and then two stars and one China Mama and one rocket and two flowers.
This rocket?
This rocket game. Yes, sir. Yes, you can do. And one, no, and one triangle, please.
Someone who's car, then someone who loves rockets, and of course going to the stars. So stars, moon, all things someone who's favorite. Yeah. So this is now I think done.
Wait, banana. This and